MMI.
He's
We
French, Proto,
expect
and he
the
has a pretty big
unexpected.
KDV.
I
What
know.
should we do? I'm
Until
gonna.
my desk.
I don't
Have a
know, I
nice
want to
day.
kill him, I fucking hate French people. After all of this shit, Proto.
Okay.
Is he trying to kill you? No, he's not, right? He's friendly. They seem to be very friendly.
He fucking fell off the bike. Did he?
Rip. Probably, yeah, just very laggy.
There's like 4 oppressors on the map, look.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there is a white one there. Don't even see where the fuck he is. The fuck was that, Proto?
Shot you! No, he shot me.
Oh, he shot you. Oh, he shot you.
Oh no.
Hey, he's shooting you, what the fuck? Okay, let's kill him then. He wants
The
to
white
die.
is coming too. Shout.
Yeah, the white is shooting me as well.
What the fuck is going on? 2 brown, there's 3 oppressors, metal!
Well, watch out, Proto! You should ride!
I'm stuck!
Just get inside the parking, Proto.
Yes.
Somewhere safe.
Yeah, I think so.
I think I want to fight a little bit now. Oh, okay. Rip. You are all on me, Proto!
What is this?
Maybe I hit him a little bit there. Just stay under the bridge, okay? You're gonna be safe under the bridge. Oh, I killed him! Suck it! Huh. God damn it.
Dude, the radio! I got the radio bug! Oh my god, I'm dead. Dude!
Might
Oh,
have
it's
shot him
fucking
a
on the
little bit there.
fucking bridge.
Oh, nice. Two over oppressors, Proto, are coming.
Yeah, fucking cops!
I'm scared, I don't know where they are and I have no boost left. This is scary as fuck, Proto.
I see them, but there's too many of them.
What am I supposed to do there? Shit. Shut that. There are too many of them.
This one stopped moving and I just... it's 4 oppressors, metal!
I know. I won't be able to do shit with my Starling there. Almost! Fuck!
When he's going on the roof, he's gonna snipe you.
I know, it's fine. Oh, there is a B11, Proto, shit!
Ah, I got one!
Nice! Watch out for the B11, he's gonna fuck me up, I think.
Oh yeah, it's sur triple andouille. Where is he? He's fucking high, he's really high. I mean, I can snipe him with BSC, but I don't see him.
No, he's too high, you can snipe him there.
I'm
Ah,
doing a
suck it!
Okay.
Because of the... I can, I have
Ouais,
the
I'm
oppressors on
gonna
my
attack the
tail.
loser and fuck him up. Like this.
Okay. Good luck.
This guy got 0 awareness, I'm pretty sure he won't notice me.
Or he will, and he will fuck you up.
Oh, he took it, metal. Fuck, I need to jump.
Sorry. Jump.
Fuck, I fucking crashed.
Maybe you'll be able to snipe them now.
What?
Yes! Die, bitch!
Funny, you killed that bitch.
Okay, the maze monk is dead. So now there is a
Oh,
little
he's
guy
surfing.
here. Die. Yes, he wants to take revenge now.
Oh fuck, he's right there. Woo!
I'm gonna try to kill him, Proto. I hit him there, I think. Where is he?
Above me.
Ouais, assis. Not anymore. Watch out, another repressor there. Have to go up, Proto, for now.
What the fuck? He's in God mode now? I hit him twice, he's full HP. Well, let me check if it's God mode or if that was a bug. I don't know if it's a bug, it's really fucking laggy. Let me go BSC to be sure.
Votez.
If this is French, I'm not even surprised.
Yeah, same.
Oh, he's not in gun mode, he's just fucking laggy.
Almost got him there.
The repressor is low, high.
He's fairly high. Don't worry, Proto, I got this. You can kill them on foot and I'm going to take care of the oppressor. I think he went inside the... Ah no, he didn't, okay, never mind.
Oh shit.
GG FDP mods.
I knew it was French.
French garbage morons. Yeah, don't worry, don't focus on the oppressor, focus on them, ok? Cheval arrête ou j'appelle Findus. J'en peux plus, putain. Quel con. Only French people will understand this
Yeah.
joke, Proto.
What's so aimbot? I'm gonna kill the atomizer, wait. Oh, what? He had time to fucking shoot the rocket! What the fuck? It's fucking, he was fucking running, how did he fucking fast?
I'm gonna try to kill him.
Well, you succeed.
Yep.
I hope I succeed, mate.
I hope I succeed. Ah, sale merde de FDP. It means you fucking motherfucking shit, basically.
Oh, he wants to kill me, Metal. He took the repressor to kill me.
Oh,
Look.
he got obliterated, Proto. That's not funny. He's with them.
Oh, fuck. On foot again.
Yep. Well, I was
Oh,
never-
he's lagging. Oh my god. What is he doing? He's stupid.
Alright, you know what? I'm gonna try to go away to get Starling again. Starling support is very useful there.
I'm trying to snap
Alright.
him.
Or I could try to fly backward with my oppressor, upside down I mean. To confuse the shit out of them. I don't know.
Oh, fuck, I'm dead.
Don't worry, Proto, I'm coming to help you soon.
Get fucked.
Alright.
Mode FDP.
Oh dude, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them in the session, look at this! What the fuck,
Did they do
dude? Hit me with the
What?
rocket, there was no rocket behind, I fucking hate this kind of flag, seriously, it's fucking annoying.
They're coming for me, look.
Yeah. Just hide under a bridge with BST with the insurgent, against the insurgent.
I'm just gonna go corner minigun, look.
Yeah.
1, 2. There you go, they're both dead. I have 3 oppressors on me, Metal.
Oh shit! I need to hurry Proto to help you. Martin Kick, il y a des modeurs qui utilisent des M-bots. My god, they are so fucking retarded. French noobs.
Yeah, he's using go to IM.
Well, today is a good day, Proto.
Oh, this one is. Oh, they're both lagging, Metal. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, they're lagging. I'm gonna try to come again. Huh. Il a
I wanna-
disponible à low level.
I wanna snipe. I wanna snipe this guy on the upper side just to piss him off, but I can't. What the fuck? I got robbed. Oh my god.
RIP.
They still missed me though.
No, it's raining, fuck.
What the fuck? I hit him twice. He didn't die on his oppressor. Fuck. I lost BSC at this very second.
Baiser FDP, putain, mais qu'est-ce qu'il est con.
Oh shit, he's shooting grenades.
I got... Proto, I got kicked from
No!
the session.
Oh really? Oh, it's okay, you can
Yeah.
come back.
No, I got kicked, Proto. They kicked me from
Oh.
the session.
Oh, it's I'm next then. Oh shit.
Yeah, you're next. Well, Proto.
That shot, he's mad. He just spawned, I fucking turned around and killed him.
Should I try to join back with another account, baby?
Let's go.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, he kicked me. Fuck.
Did he kick you from the session?
Yeah, he got kicked.
Oh shit. Yo, cannot join. Well, too bad. That's unfortunate.